if we talk about FM, so this is something that would be very different from the other examinations that you were preparing for. So how much time did you dedicate, or what source did you follow, or what was your approach? I think aspirants, they would want to know about that.
For me personally, I did not know about how to tackle management. I have never studied management before this, so I was prepared that after a prelims result and before mains there were 12 days, and I was prepared for 7 to 8 days to management, because I was confident in other subjects that I can handle it. So 7 to 8 days I dedicated for management, and I completely followed EduTab. Blindly I followed EduTab, because since I don't know anything in that, I should trust the experts there.
Right.
I feel that. So I blindly followed the phase 2 course which your coaching launches, and I blindly followed all the chapters, the descriptive questions, the objective questions of management, and I completed that, and the questions were from there only.
Right. Because most aspirants, they do so that they keep on referring to many sources, and this by this a lot of time it gets wasted. So you just stick to one syllabus and you were like, agar likha hai to sahi hi likha hoga, and you just followed that and that worked for you, right?
I think that comes with experience, because I have been preparing for exams and I have been constantly giving exams. So I now have complete clarity that if you follow one coaching, revise it 2 times, the material, any coaching, you are halfway through the process. If you
Right.
have your concepts clear, you just have to follow one source, revise it 2-3 times, make your own condensed notes, more and more condensed. You can revise it at the time of exams, before 10 minutes, before 15 minutes. If you have condensed notes of yourself, you can very well pass the exam. It felt big deal earlier, but now it is not.